How do I get the path and name of the file that is currently executing? I have scripts calling other script files, but I need to get the file path of the file that is currently running within the process. For example, let's say I have 3 files. Using exec file. Script_1.py calls script_2.py. In turn, script_2.py calls script_3.py. How can I get the file name and path of script_3.py from code within script_3.py without having to pass that information as arguments from script_2.py? Executing os.getCode returns the original starting script's file path, not the current files.
p1.py, p2.py,
As others have said, you may also want to use os.path.realpath to eliminate some links.
Update November 28, 2018. Here is a summary of experiments with Python 2 and 3. With main.py, runs foo.py. Foo.py, runs lib/var.py. Lib/var.py, prints file path expressions. For Python 2, it might be clearer to switch to packages so can use from lib import var. Just add empty_init_.py files to the 2 folders. For Python 3, exec file doesn't exist, the nearest alternative is exec open, filename, .read, though this affects the stack frames. It's simplest to just use import foo and import lib.var, no _init_.py files needed. See also difference between import and exec file. Original answer. Here is an experiment based on the answers in this thread, with Python February 7, 2010 on Windows. The stack-based ones are the only ones that seem to give reliable results. The last 2 have the shortest syntax, i.e. Here's to these being added to sys functions. Credit to @usagi and @pavlog. Based on the following 3 files, and running main.py from its folder with Python main.py, also tried exec files with absolute paths and calling from a separate folder.
I think this is cleaner. And gets the same information as where 0 is the current frame in the stack, top of stack, and 1 is for the file name, increase to go backwards in the stack, i.e. would be the file name of the script that called the current frame. Also, using -1 will get you to the bottom of the stack, the original calling script.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.